Today I'm making my favorite crepes. They turn out thin and tender, and both in appearance and taste, you can't tell them apart from regular crepes. We'll add 2 types of cheese to the batter, and 1 secret ingredient. Prepare 2 processed cheese blocks, 90 grams each, and 100 grams of any hard cheese. Grate all the cheese on a fine grater. I'm using Irish cheese with beer that I had left from last time. And here's the secret. We'll use soured milk. It needs to sit on the counter overnight in advance. You'll need 500 grams, that's 2 cups. You can replace it with kefir. Crack 2 eggs. Add half a teaspoon of salt. These crepes will be savory, but we add 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance the flavor. Add the grated cheese. Take 10 grams of dill and 10 grams of parsley and finely chop them. Add the herbs to the bowl. Mix everything until smooth, fluffy, and well combined. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder to 130 grams of flour. Sift it into the batter. This will make the crepes softer and slightly fluffier. At first, the batter may seem thick, but as you mix it, everything will come together into a tender base. Now add 30 grams of butter, melted in the microwave. Mix again and let the batter rest for 15 minutes so the gluten can fully develop. Now let's move to the stove. Heat the pan and lightly grease it with neutral vegetable oil. Pour the batter with a ladle so it covers the bottom of the pan and spread it evenly. If the batter is too thick, add a little soured milk. If it's too thin, add a bit more flour. Cook the crepes for about 1.5 minutes on each side until golden. Transfer to a plate and continue cooking the rest. Let me show you one more crepe. No one would ever guess they made with processed cheese. The flavor is incredible. You end up with a beautiful and delicious stack of crepes. These crepes disappear from the plate while still hot. Try this recipe and it will stay in your family for a long time. They're delicious with sour cream. Tartar sauce highlights the cheese perfectly. A yogurt mustard sauce, not spicy, works great. They're also delicious with red fish, ham or chicken, with vegetable fillings, or however you like. Write in the comments what fillings you use. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss new ideas. See you next time. Bye bye!